Welcome to this lesson on bar and column charts. In Excel, charts are one of the most powerful ways to communicate data instead of showing raw numbers. Charts allow us to see patterns, trends, and comparisons at a glance. Today, we'll use hospital visit data to build 3 different charts. A bar chart to compare total visits by department. A column chart to compare total visits by month. A stacked column chart to show both department and monthly breakdown. We already have our data set in rows. We have departments like cardiology, pediatrics, orthopedics, and emergency. In columns, we have months from January to December. We also have total for each department and totals for each month. This structure is great because it allows us to analyze data by department or by month. Let's create our first chart, sales by department, a horizontal bar chart. Select the department names and their total visits column. Go to Insert, then Bar Chart. Choose Clustered Bar. Now Excel inserts a bar chart where each bar represents a department. Now let's customize it. Change colors, make pediatrics one color, cardiology another. I will also make cardiology in dark red as it's the color of the heart. For emergency, I will make it red. And for pediatrics and orthopedics, I will make one blue and gray for the other. Add data labels to show exact values. Add title for the chart, something like visits per department. This chart answers this question: which department had the highest visits overall? Let's build the second chart, sales by month, a vertical column chart. Select the months row and the total row at the bottom. Go to Insert, Column Chart, then Clustered Column. Now we see total hospital visits for each month. Let's customize the chart. Add a title, something like Visits by Month. You can add data labels above the bars if you need, and for this chart I will leave all in blue colors as they only comparing between months. This chart answers this question: which month was busiest across all departments? Now let's create the last chart, sales by department and month, a stacked column chart. Select the whole dataset without the total column. Go to Insert, Column Chart, then 100% stacked column. Each column now represents a month, and inside we see the share of each department. For customization, add a legend so everyone knows which color represents each department. Format percentages on the vertical axis from 0% to 100%, but you will notice that it's already in percent because we chose column chart 100% stacked. Make sure colors are consistent with the bar chart. You can change colors as you want. There are colorful option and monochromatic, which makes all in one color but with different intensity. Or you can customize color as you want, as we did in the first bar chart. This chart answers how much does each department contribute each month. So let's wrap up. Now we've created 3 charts from the same dataset. Bar chart represents total visits by department. Then a column chart represents total visits by month. And a stacked column chart which represents department contribution across months. This way you can tell 3 different stories from one dataset. Which department had the highest visits, which month has highest visits, and how visits for each department were distributed through months.